The ITIL V3 service lifecycle of strategy, design, transition, operation, and improvement shown here is replaced in ITIL 4 with the service value chain. As you can see, ITIL 4 features a service value chain with activities arranged in 6 parts. The ITIL 4 value chain activity plan is roughly equivalent to the ITIL V3 strategy phase. Improve matches ITIL V3's continual service improvement phase. Engage is new and reflects an emphasis on customer and user experience. Design and transition and obtain build are roughly equivalent to the design and transition phases in V3, and deliver and support is roughly equivalent to V3's service operation phase. Let's take a minute to drill down into each of these activities. Here we see the purpose of the first value chain activity plan, where we all get on the same page around vision status and improvement direction for products and services in each of the 4 dimensions: organizations and people, information and technology, partners and suppliers, and value streams and processes. Here's activity number 2, improve. As with plan, the scope of concern for improve is the 4 dimensions: organizations and people, information and technology, partners and suppliers, and value streams and processes. In the engage activity, we're concerned with stakeholder relations and the customer and user experience. As a service provider, we have many stakeholders to relate to, including service consumers, that is, customers who pay the bills for services, users who use the services, and sponsors who authorize budgets for services, along with the provider and its employees, the community and society at large, charitable organizations, and shareholders. Here we see ITIL 4 value chain activity number 4, design and transition, which combines the ITIL V3 lifecycle phase of design and transition into a value chain activity. This honors the DevOps lean and agile values that design and transition are happening continuously, often and quickly, and not just at the level of the service overall, but also at the level of features and service quality sets or individual features and service qualities. Where qualities are what devs call non-functional requirements or the ITILs, things like accessibility, availability, and so on. ITIL 4 combines what ITIL V3 had separated design and transition in value chain activity number 4. Now here in activity number 5, it breaks out what had been part of the ITIL V3 design phase. Obtaining and building service components has a different activity. Lastly, we have the 6th ITIL 4 service value chain activity, deliver and support. It's roughly equivalent to the ITIL V3 service operations lifecycle phase.